in the 16th minute before Selassie Otieno leveled for the home side. In the second half, Ronald, Reagan and Mathew Mwenda each scored a piece to give Kenya a win in their preparations for the CECAFA U-20 championships to be staged in Tanzania.
Sudan are also a very strong team, considering that we are trying to build up a new team. Of course, last year we were in CECAFA Uganda, but all the players that we had, they have already been promoted to another level, so we are trying to come up with a new team.
This is the first time he played together, and I think play against one team, same Kenya national team. Last 2 years, I think, in the final, CECAFA against Tanzania. And Kenya, it's a good team.
For some time now, Massimi Deva's